Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $200 per sale in a market that is fluctuating and also can be stable for you in what you're going to be doing what I'm showing you here today. Alright, we're going to get you started on that here right now. To this page right here, and you see this is my YouTube channel, Kevin Lehner, Freedom Motivator channel, which my name is Kevin Lehner. If this is your first time here to my videos, or you still haven't yet subscribed to the channel, now reach down there below right now, below your video, and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified of each time I upload videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Okay, well, with that out of the way, like I told you, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $200 per sale in a volatile market using affiliate marketing here that people are really searching for this particular, because of this market is so volatile. They're searching for this way to help themselves protect their money from the up and down of the stock market and the devaluation of the dollar bill. Okay, so to do that, we're going to come over here to this site. It's called Goldco. You see it up here in the address bar. It's goldco.com, goldco.com. And when you come over here to this site, you'll see that this site is where people can invest in IRAs and gold, silver IRAs, gold IRAs, and do retirement planning with their 401ks and so on and so forth here. And they can protect their money from the up and down of the stock market and from losing money because of the dollar. Let's just face it, the dollar, which is the world standard of monetary use, is the dollar bill, the United States dollar bill, and everybody I think knows that the value of the dollar bill is coming down. Well, people are looking in other ways to invest their money to help protect the value of their money. So gold is one of the things, silver, there's platinum, there's tanzanite, there's all kinds of different precious metals people can invest in. Well, this site right here, Goldco, offers people a way to protect their money through silver and gold and retirement planning. They have different resources here, palladium and platinum prices. I mean, there's just all kinds of precious metals that people can invest in to protect their money, the value of their assets. And anyway, it says learn how to protect your retirement, and then people can come here and find out how. You can see here some of the companies that have used this. Is, Google's one, Better Business Bureau, they have an A+ rating. 500's talked about them. There's a lot of different companies here that have rated this particular company called Goldco. They've got self-directed gold IRAs, and you can actually buy gold and silver from this site. And they talk about a little bit how they help and why you should choose them. Some of the people's testimonies that have invested with this company, and then they have some of their blog posts that talk about the different advantages of buying gold and silver and other precious metals, as well as some of the economic or economy things that's going on with the up and down of the economy and the dollar bill and so on and so forth. Talks about here, if they're ready to protect their retirement savings, they can get a self-directed IRA guide here for free, and so on and so forth. But now, this is a little bit about this site, at what people can do when they come to this site, and the things that they can purchase in gold and so on, silver and so on and so forth. Now, how are you going to make some money on this site? That's what we're interested in, right? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to the top of the site right here, and you see there's a little magnifying glass right here. I don't know if you can see where my mouse is here, and you want to click on that right there. That's the search engine, and what you're going to type in there is we're going to type in affiliate, and you see it drops down this menu, and you see right here it says the Goldco affiliate program right here. Well, when you click on that, when you type affiliate in the search engine, you click on this top one right here, this particular page right here. You can see right here it talks about the Goldco affiliate program, where you can get involved here and make yourself a bunch of money here. You can see right here it says, are you interested in helping people protect their retirement accounts from things like stock market crashes and dollar devaluation? Are you an expert marketer with experience in driving traffic and generating qualified sales leads? Or do you want to join the most exciting and profitable affiliate program in the financial services industry? And it says here, if you answered yes to any of those questions, the Goldco affiliate program is for you. It says Goldco pays out more than $150,000 every month through its affiliate programs, and we're ready to double or even triple that number. And it says, are you the right affiliate marketer for the job? Click the link below to apply now, and the button, the apply, is right over here on the right side. You can see on this banner right here that you can apply right here. But some more about details about this, the affiliate program details. It's 100% free to join, no cost to join. Unlike many other affiliate programs, there's absolutely no cost to join the Goldco affiliate program. And the payouts, with payouts from different offers ranging from $35 to $200 per conversion, there is no limit to the amount of money that you can make with the Goldco affiliate program. We're currently paying out more than $150,000 a month to the partners, and they're ready to double and triple that, like I told you back up here. And nice thing about this one is, guys, is the Goldco affiliate program has not only multiple types of creatives that you see here with varying messages available to use on virtually all marketing channels, including but not limited to email, social media, paid search, organic search, and more. But the nice thing about this company here also, they allow you as an affiliate to create your own creative assets to use in your marketing. Now it does say here that it has to be approved by your manager, your Goldco affiliate manager, okay, prior to using. And but you can do that, put your success in your own hands, and that's something few other affiliate programs offer, which is pretty much the case. So that's pretty cool about this company. It allows you can create your own type of marketing materials to market your affiliate link or their affiliate, their program here, to get people to come over and sign up to one of these IRAs or these to buy gold or whatever, and so on and so forth. And when anybody buys off this site, you can make up to $200 per sale, anywhere from $35 to $200 per sale here. Their payout schedule is the Goldco affiliate program pays out bi-weekly or twice a month via PayPal. So now I've talked to you guys about PayPal before. It's free to get one. Just go to paypal.com. Make sure that you have a PayPal account. The personal is enough. You don't need the business unless you just want a business account with PayPal. But the personal is enough, and just make sure that you use the same email address that you signed up with on PayPal to sign up with on your affiliate program here on this site here, which I'll show you here in just a moment. Now, in their cookie link, here's another cool thing about this, guys. You can drive traffic today and make money tomorrow with Goldco's generous 30-day sticky cookie. That cookie is assigned to you for 30 days. So in other words, if they click your link today and they go over to Goldco site and they don't purchase anything today, if they come back anytime in the next 30 days and they purchase something, then you still get the credit for it, because their cookie has been attached to your affiliate link in your affiliate ID. So you still get the credit for that regardless. That's the cool thing about this. The way you do that, just come up here, you see the banner on the right hand side right here, join our affiliate program. Just click on that, and when you do, it brings you over here to this point, and if you already got a account, you can just log in right here. If you don't have an account yet and you're going to sign up, you want to, or you can log in up here on the right side up here above my head. You can see the login right there as well, email, support, and guest. But you just click right here where it says partner sign up. It loads up this application page right here, and you can put your company or your name in here, your address, your city, and also, guys, I meant to tell you, not only is this free, but this can be worked from anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter where you're at in the world, you can do this. If you look right here, what is the country? Right now mine says United States because it picks up my address, my IP address as being here in this country. But yours will probably show up, as you can see here, it's every country in the whole wide world here, guys. Doesn't matter where you're at. You can work and be an affiliate and sell the products on this particular site to people that are looking to protect their money in IRAs and 401ks and so on and so forth, in precious metals, to be able to protect their money. Which I'm going to say, this is going to be a pretty hot market, because everybody knows that the value of the dollar is going down every day, it seems like. So any country you can do this with, and then you just put in a state, if you're in whatever country and state you're in, your zip code, put your phone number in. These are all required, you have to have this. And then put your user details here, ask for your email address. You're going to put your PayPal email address in there. You want to keep everything congruent across the board, right? And then create a password, confirm it, and then it's asking you for your first name and last name here again, and then your title if you want to have Mr. or Mrs. or something like that. And then the additional questions here, what is your primary method of driving traffic? You can put in here, it can be social media, it can be any kind of paid advertisement, it can be solo ads, it can be social media, it can be classifieds, it can be any kind of way that you can think of that you want to drive traffic to your affiliate links or your creatives that you use from this site, or whatever creatives you create yourself, right? And then it says here, what website do you generate leads on? If you have a blog or a website that you use, you can have their banners on there, tell them that you will use your website to drive traffic with. Here's how quickly do you plan to start driving traffic to their offers. Well, you can tell them either immediately or within the week, whatever you choose on that. And then roughly how much traffic do you expect to send to their offers per month? Well, if you don't know, just take a guess. Just say like 1,000 to 2,000 visitors per month. You know, just put a guess in there. Here it says, do you have a Skype account? If you do have Skype, go ahead and put your username, your Skype username in there, and they may do some video chat with you with your affiliate manager that you'll have through this particular website. And then it says, do you have any previous experience in generating leads or sales for gold companies? It says, okay, it's okay if you don't right here. So it doesn't matter. This is a multiple choice. You just click the arrow, drop down, choose no if not, or yes if you have. I don't know. Only you know that, right? And then what's the average age of subscribers on your list? If you have an email list, you can click down and choose the average age of your subscribers. If you don't have an email list, that's okay. Just put down here, you can just put anything. Just put 40 to 49 or something like that, or 50 plus. It doesn't matter. Just pick a number. What is the political leaning of your subscribers? Now, don't ask me. I don't know why that's what bearing this has to do on being an affiliate here, but they've given you some choices here: liberal, middle of the road, or conservative political leanings of the subscribers on your mailing list. You know why that matters, I don't have a clue. It says here, what is the average email open rate? If you're not real sure, or if you have an email list and you know, then you got some ranges right here. If you're not real sure, just click on any one of these numbers you want. And then what is your average email click-through rate? That depends on your list. If you have a list and you know, you can put that in here. If you don't, just pick a number, because you want to get approved to be an affiliate for this company so that you can make money with this affiliate program with this company. And then just check the box down here. I agree to the terms and conditions with the Goldco affiliate program, and here I hereby consent to allow them to use your information and so on and so forth to send you their third-party advertisements and so on and so forth. I don't think you have to check that, but it's your choice. And then just click the sign up button, and then you'll go through and you'll get your affiliate link, and then you can begin to promote the Goldco offers that they have right here for people that are looking to protect their money, guys. And this is going to be a pretty hot market right now because of the fluctuation and the volatility of the market, the stock market, and the devaluation of the dollar bill. The price is going down on our dollar, and so people are going to be looking to buy gold and silver. In fact, I myself have already invested in both gold and Bitcoin. I invest in cryptocurrency myself, gold. Okay, so nevertheless, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today, is a way that you can make money with this Goldco company's affiliate program. Also help people at the same time protect their assets so that they don't lose them because of the crazy going on with the world today, with all this crazy pandemic stuff and so on and so forth. Well, guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified. And also, if you want to get your own affiliate marketing business up and running, you need to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com in the top of my description. And guys, I'll let you go with that, and I'll check you out here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Don't forget to leave comments and questions down there if you have any questions about this program here, and I'll get back with you. Alrighty, guys, I'll check you later. You guys have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.